camera's starting to roll, don't you? You're a good boy. Hey, so it's Daddy Jack's Cool with the Blues here. So it's Deegan's birthday. How old's Deegan?
17.
17. My, how he's growing up fast. And asked him what he wanted for his birthday, and he said shepherd's pie. So we're gonna make a healthy shepherd's pie with chicken. So what I have here is some carrot, celery, onion, just a little bit of butter, some roasted red peppers, and I actually put some through the grinder. So we're gonna brown that separate. Just let that go. And I'm gonna hit. I did add a little salt and pepper, and so I'm gonna be careful. We're gonna wait to the end to see how the flavor is. Some garlic powder. I like a little bit of paprika. That's my Aunt Liv always cook with paprika, so I do too. And then here I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. A good amount of garlic, actually. Okay. And some pepper. Okay. And we're just going to sweat this down a little bit. And we're going to add a little flour into it to tighten it up. I have a little bit of dark chicken stock back here cooking. Bring that to a nice boil when you're making your sauce. You always want to have it hot. So we'll be right back. Got the potatoes going in the back for the top. Yukon Gold. So the chicken's going good. Just a little bit of flour. Tighten it up. Cook the rawness out of the flour. That's some whole wheat flour. My buddy Keith milled it. See the bottom? It's great. That's going to give us some nice, get us the color. We're going to make our gravy. We have our chicken. Okay. I'll bring the whisk out a little bit, just if there's any lumps. All right, just gonna let that simmer down a little bit. We'll be right back. Daddy Jack's Cool with the Blues. Not too much. Some Worcestershire sauce. Woo sauce. Always try to get Lea & Perrins if you can. There you go. Just a little bit more. Okay, let's see. Take a taste. Mmm. On the money. So here, the chicken's good. All right, we're just gonna let that simmer down a little bit, and we'll be good to go. Wait for potatoes to cook, clean up a little bit, little mise en place, right, Lakeisha?
You got that right.
We'll be right back. So, we're gonna add some corn. Fresh corn in the summer is the best. The peas I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna let it cool down a little bit. I was thinking maybe, you know, to tighten it up a little bit more, but I think we're good. What do you think, Lakeisha?
Looks good, hon.
Okay. So I'm gonna add just a few of the peas, frozen peas, right on top. I'm not gonna mix them in yet. We checked with Deegan because like sometimes kids don't like peas, but he gave us the go-ahead. Our casserole. I'm gonna split it in 2 pans. Of course, we're gonna have some for us. I made plenty. Okay. All right, so that'll cool just a little bit, not much. And we'll wait for our potatoes to be done, and then we'll finish it off and pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes or so. All right, potatoes are ready, so we're gonna make our mashed potato. So what I do is drain off most of the water. So I put it back on the stove, boil off all that extra water. So we don't have watered down potato. When we hear that sizzle stop, well, right now we can season it up. Salt, garlic powder, pepper. And right now I'm gonna put some butter on the top. Get that melting. Gotta have a good amount. Just let that simmer down. We'll be right back. Okay, so the butter's kind of melted down in there. Most of the water's evaporated off. So it's important in this step here to make sure that you bring all your cream and everything back to the boil. That's how you know, sometimes your potato's sour if you don't bring it back to the boil. So I'm going to put a few of our green onions in there. Bet you thought we were going to forget them, but nope. Just give me the eye. I'm making too much noise here, so metal on metal is no good, right, Lakeisha?
Yes. Much better.
Okay. Watch out for this right here, because when that potato starts popping and splashing, nothing worse than a mashed potato burn, I'll tell you right. Well, let's taste it for salt and pepper now. Definitely more salt. Garlic. And pepper. I know the original recipe doesn't call for it, but I got one other little trick up my sleeve. Some Parmigiani. Okay. Just a touch more cream. And one more trick. Uh-oh, burping. Look at that. A duck egg. Hard shell. Careful. Okay. A few more green onions. We're gonna save that the egg white. One last taste. We'll work here. Check them out. Look, introduce. All right. Introduce yourself.
I'm Titus. I'm doing the camera work right now for Google.
Okay. Go ahead. Just say you're doing camera work.
I'm doing camera work for Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues.
Right on. All right. Go get him, killer. Okay. All right, that's it. In the oven. Just a little dusting on top. And because I have them, some Ritz. Go ahead, Axel. That's yours. You know what, Lakeisha? We're going to put them both in the oven.
Okay.
We'll bring them both.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Because once they taste this, they're going to wipe it out. Oh. Hold on 1 second. A little bit of green on top. This is my Grandma Chaplin. A little paprika. And that's it, right in the oven. Pop it in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. All right, Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. Peace.